This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Gary Finkelstein. Welcome to your brand new home at 510 East Acre Drive in Plantation, a beautifully updated 3-bedroom with an additional den that could be a bedroom, 2-bath, featuring a bright open floor plan on a desirable corner lot in a fantastic neighborhood. From the moment you walk in, the home offers an inviting, airy feel with fresh paint, new baseboards throughout, and gorgeous modern bathrooms, complemented by a stylish kitchen with brand new appliances. Major upgrades include complete hurricane protection, shutters, a brand new roof, updated electrical, new blinds on every window, a tankless water heater, and a convenient storage shed in the backyard, plus ample parking with room for up to 8 vehicles. Thoughtfully renovated and truly turnkey, this home delivers comfort, efficiency, and peace of mind in one of Plantation's most desirable settings. You will love this home. For more information, review the details below.